So you see this, and this. They are all gaming phones, right? But the question is, are they really budget? Simple answer, nah. As a matter of fact, the latest Infinix GT20 Pro is currently selling at 550,000 naira, which should be around $330. And I guess most of you all can't really afford it. Well, I understand the fact that you love games and you actually want a gaming phone that would cost you less. Well, I got you covered. In this video, I want to be sharing with you guys my top budget gaming phones that's worth 200,000 naira currently in Nigeria. So if it's something that interests you, please give this video a thumbs up, and also let's vibe on. Hey, what's up guys, it's Lord here. In today's video, we'll be talking about budget gaming phones under 200,000 naira or $150. Yeah. So if it's your first time checking us out, you're welcome. It's going to be much appreciated if you try to show support by subscribing and also turning that notification bell on. Please subscribe. So the first budget gaming smartphone I will highly recommend is Tecno Pova 6 Neo. And that is because of its processor and well optimized chipset. This device is currently selling at 215,000 naira, and as for that price, it offers great value for your money. It actually powers the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate 6nm bit of process, which is a great chipset for gaming. I mean, it is much more better than the regular Helio G99. So with the Mali G57 MC2 GPU running at 2.4 GHz and a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, you are likely to get smoother experience while gaming on the device. Considering the price, you shouldn't be expecting anything less than average performance. You can actually play intensive graphic games like Call of Duty Mobile, Beige Mobile, Free Fire, and other high graphic games in middle graphic setting and high frame rate without having any glitch or lag issue at all. So when you're talking about gaming phones, the display should be one major factor you should consider, right? The Tecno Pova 6 Neo supports an IPS LCD 6.78-inch display with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels and a peak brightness of 518 nits. The display is really cool for media composition, and the one big colors supported on this device, images are likely to look crispy, vibrant, and clearer while gaming or viewing content on the device. The Tecno Pova 6 Neo comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage option. So you have enough storage to store all your files, and you know, intensive graphic games do consume storage and as well as battery life. So as a gamer or somebody who loves gaming, I would like to get a phone with low battery capacity, especially if it is budget. That's why I recommended the Tecno Pova 6 Neo in the first place. So the huge 7000 mAh battery capacity on this device is pretty much huge and okay to power up your day-to-day activities on a single charge. And powering up this device won't take long since it supports 33 watts fast charge. So the next best budget gaming phone I will highly recommend is the Itel RS4, and it is one of the latest devices from Itel. The Itel RS4 is actually a gaming device, and you can actually tell from the packaging, but that's not the main thing to consider. The main spec is the processor, the display, and also the battery life. That is the things you should actually consider when trying to get a gaming phone. So the Itel RS4 is powered with same chipset like the Tecno Pova 6 Neo, which is the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate. And the coolest thing is, this device costs less than the Pova 6 Neo. Yeah, the Helio G99 Ultimate is paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. To be honest, this device is really interesting more than I imagined. For gaming test experiment, you can actually play Call of Duty Mobile at medium graphics, high frame rate, no lags. Call of Duty Warzone, you can actually play it on low graphics with some lags. You can play Free Fire on ultra graphics, high FPS with no lag. The Beige Mobile can actually be played on HD graphics, high FPS with no lag. I think this is pretty decent for a gaming phone that costs less than 200,000 naira. I'm not trying to hype this device though, but it is obvious that Itel are really doing great now. This device has a high refresh rate of 120 Hz alongside a Mali G57 FC2 GPU running at 2.4 GHz. So as expected, performance are smooth. Even multitasking jobs like navigating from one app to another are seamless. I mean, you won't even have any issue at all. Now let's talk about the display of this device. The Itel RS4 comes with an IPS LCD 6.5-inch 720 pixel display. The display is the only part I think Itel failed on this device. I mean, This is a gaming device. The 1080 pixel display could have been more better. Well, it's not that bad, and I guess Itel got reasons for that. I mean, maybe they want to like reduce the cost, stuff like that. I don't know. So regardless, the display is pretty cool for media consumption, and also images seems to appear decent. The battery life of the device is also pretty decent. It is powered with 5000 mAh battery capacity that supports 45 watts fast charge. It can actually last you a whole day on a single charge, but for gaming, it can last you pretty well. Maybe 6 hours to 7 hours on steady gaming, which I guess is not that bad. To purchase the Itel RS4, it's going to cost you 196,000 naira. Yeah, so this is all for the Itel RS4 and also for budget gaming phones under 200,000 naira. So in conclusion, I would say these devices are pretty decent for their prices. I mean, which budget gaming phone can actually compete with the devices I mentioned? I don't think there's any, but if there is, let me know in the comment section. So I know we did talk about specs like the camera, the operating system, the fingerprint, and others. That is because you're actually talking about gaming. But don't worry, that should be listed down in the description. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on that notification bell to always get notified whenever I drop a new video on the channel. Yeah, peace.